A fire truck. A fire truck. A fire truck. Bright red clay, shiny and new. Let's build it now for me and you. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. DIDADU TV, here we go. Start with the frame, strong and square. Roll the clay here and there. Four big wheels, black and round. Rolling, rolling on the ground. Put the wheels on. A long white ladder reaching high to the clouds up in the sky. A silver hose to spray the light, keeping everything safe and bright. Click the ladder. Fill the tank with water blue. Splash, splash, it's all new. Two blue lights, blink, blink, blink. Faster than you can even wink. Fix the lights. We squeeze, we grind, we mix it all. Spin the clay, watch it fall. Clap, clap, clap. Add the siren. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. DIDADU TV, here we go. A steering wheel for the driver's hand. Best fire truck in all the land. Shiny mirrors, look at the view. Everything is red and new. Final touch. We explored, we learned, and now we know. Fire truck, ready to go. DIDADU TV, see you soon.